Hey guys, it's Abdul here. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to promote affiliate links. I want to make sure this will be the best video that you will ever need on this topic because I will cover everything you need to know to get started today. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, what we talk about is clickbank, affiliate marketing. We talk about make money online and entrepreneurship. If these are topics that you're really interested in, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I come with a new video about making money online, entrepreneurship and clickbank, you will be the first to get notified. Now that being said, we can get started. Okay guys, so the first method we're going to talk about on how to promote affiliate links is one of the most effective methods out there, and that is Instagram pages. What I like about this method is it's actually 100% free. Okay, and I will tell you one secret you can do to maximize the traffic. That is, you maximize the number of people who actually go ahead and click your affiliate links. Now if I go to search here and type numerology, this is one of the pages that I found. You can go ahead and type whatever type of product that you want to promote. It can be home remedies, hemorrhoid, make money online, affiliate marketing, numerology, manifestation, woodworking, dog training, whatever. Okay, so when you do that, you come up with some really cool pages that has a lot of posts and a lot of followings. Okay, and in a second I'm going to show you how to get these posts done for you. Now what happens here is these people focus on these posts, and one secret that I want to tell you is if you choose a product, for example numerology, okay, this is a niche. There's a product here. Of course, we're going to click this link. What you want to do is you want to create multiple different pages on the same niche, okay? Because it is easier to have 3 to 4 different pages than to grow one page to like 100,000 of followers. So this is a really cool strategy, guys. Okay, I've seen that. I've been doing my research, and I also found out that a lot of people create multiple different pages promoting the same thing. What happens here is these people actually are doing nothing. What they are all they are doing is just putting Instagram posts and some just talking about, these are just quotes about numerology or attracting money, attracting happiness and stuff like that. Okay, so basically these are not even the best Instagram posts. Okay, even a small child can do this actually. And what's happening here is when you click this button, you will go to an affiliate link. Okay, I can guarantee. So we are gonna go ahead and open this in a new tab. So as you can see, this is an affiliate link, and here's the clickbank ID. Okay, here's the clickbank ID of the affiliate who is promoting this. So it takes us to a clickbank product. As you will see very soon, you'll see the clickbank sign over here. So this is a clickbank product that sells some stuff related to numerology. As you can see, 27, 37, 97. Right, so what these people are actually doing is they're sending people directly to the sales page of this offer. Basically, you can do a better thing. You can create a landing page and collect the emails of these people and continue to sell to them. But again, if you're getting traffic for free, basically you can do whatever you want because you're not paying for anything. Okay, so as you can see, when you click this bit.ly link, it takes you directly to this offer. These people have over 188 posts and 430 followers. Okay, what we can do is we can search for another thing like dog training, or I don't know, dog. So there is a similar page here about dog training mastery, but I don't think this is an affiliate link unless they cloak this link. But it follows the same pattern. You just have dogs here, and then you just post images of dogs, and this one has over 104,000 followers, and they all have 116 posts. So we're gonna go ahead and click this link, and it will take us to a sales page selling something, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so this guy took us here. I think this is a landing page where this guy is doing what I just talked about not long ago. That is sending us to a landing page and trying to sell us something, collecting our email. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put my email here and then go get the book. Okay, so you see this is trying to sell me something. No, I don't want that. I can put my PayPal, credit card, whatever. Okay, so this is how it works actually. You just want to create a page, okay, IG page, and then you just try to post these random photos, motivational photos about your niche. So what you can do is you can create 10 different Instagram pages. Okay, you are not going to create this post. I'm going to show you that in a second. promoting 10 different multiple affiliate products. Okay, so what you can do is you can come over to a website called Fiverr. I will leave a link in the description of this video. Okay, you can go ahead and check that. When you click that link, it will take you to this website where people are going to do everything that you want for you at a very low price. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and type something like Instagram. As you can see, Instagram posts, people can create this for you. Instagram promotion, people can, promote your Instagram page. Fast Instagram organic growth, Instagram infographics, whatever you want about Instagram, they can do it. But let's go for the post and see if we can find someone who can create posts. Great. So you see, all these people can actually create posts for us. And the best part is this is only $5. This is 35. This is $15. And these are really nice Instagram posts. Okay, these are even better than the one that we actually show here. Okay, so it means you can just pay people just small amount of money, and they're gonna go ahead and create all these posts for you. And you can also find somebody here that can promote your Instagram, okay, and help you to rank for your keywords, right? So that being said, I'm going to show you a second method, which I think actually is also a really cool method. Okay, now this method is Facebook groups, right? Facebook groups also is a really cool way of promoting your affiliate products. So I'm going to show you, as you can see here, all these are ebooks and something like that. So people are actually coming to these pages. If you type hemorrhoid here, you find pages related to hemorrhoid. If you type affiliate marketing, sorry, groups rather, you find groups related to affiliate marketing. If you type whatever niche, you will find a group, okay, that is related to that niche. So the example I'm using here is ClickBank affiliate success, over 33,000 members, guys. This is like a lot. This is a pool of traffic that you can tap into. Okay, now if you want to promote products affiliate links here, Facebook does not allow affiliate links. Don't even try it. Okay, so what you can do is you're gonna use a simple method. What I did is I operate in the make money online niche, and because these groups, when you provide value, you become a king inside this group. What I actually did is I went over to Fiverr over here. Okay, this is still loading. So what I did is I went ahead and then paid somebody to create a really cool ebook for me about my niche. So this is like a step-by-step on how to make money online and how to do affiliate marketing and how to do ClickBank. Now what happened is when you pay somebody like 30, 50 bucks, they're gonna create a very good ebook for you. And what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and embed my affiliate link inside this ebook. So if I bring you to the last page, I don't know why my computer is still loading, maybe need to clear the cache. Oh, okay. So what you can see is after reading the ebook, okay, this is just a 13-page ebook. I put my link here. I embed my link here. Okay, you can go to PDF Escape, but there are many tools that can actually help you to embed your link here. So when people click this link, they're going to my affiliate product that I am promoting. Now what happened is you want to come over to these pages and you want to say something like, hey, I have a cool book about ClickBank is 100% free, or who want to make money online with ClickBank, I can give you a free training 100% free, comment help. Now this type of post like here, getting traffic to your CB bank, double warrior plus offers, your problem, connect help, sorry, comment help. Now the reason this person is saying comment help is, as you can see, 143 comments. Facebook likes engagement. Okay, and when you tell when you tell people to go ahead and type something in the comment section and they start typing help, what happens is the Facebook algorithm will now start to push your post up. Okay, and many people are going to see it. Now if these people type help, what you can do is you can reply them here to check their inbox. Then in their inbox you can give them the link where they're gonna download the ebook. It can be a Google Drive link or a link to your capture page. Well, if you want to collect emails, it's up to you. Okay, so when they read the book, they become excited. But if you collected their emails, you can continue to market with them. Sorry, to market to them. Okay, that's another method. But guys, one of the most effective methods is what I'm coming to share with you. And basically, this is the way that I have been making a lot of money, to be quite honest. This is the way I promote ClickBank links, affiliate links, whenever I try to sell someone else's product. Now, this method actually involves some advanced strategies and some expenses as an affiliate. Okay, but it pays off really well, right? You can make like thousands of dollars a day. You're only limited by your budget and your imagination. So with this method, what we do is we find an affiliate product, okay, and we try to create a landing page that looks very similar to the product sales page, and now we go ahead and purchase traffic, email traffic called solo ads. Now we send people to these pages. Okay, we promise them a free video or free ebook or something, and when they click this button, they're gonna put their email address here. And then what happens is when they put their email address here, okay, they are now inside our email database. So it means even if they go to the sales page of the product and they don't buy, we can now send emails every day trying to remind them to go back and purchase, build a rapport and relationship with that. But this method, guys, is basically advanced. Okay, so what you can do is, let me just put my email here and then click get instant access. You will see magic here, guys, because now the email is collected. Okay, it has been sent to my email database, and this person will receive emails from me every single day unless and until they unsubscribe. Okay, so as you can see here, immediately they put their email and then they hit instant get access. They are now being redirected to this page here, which is actually a ClickBank offer. So this page is selling a make money online program. Okay, and as you can see, the page is very similar with my page. Okay, because there is one video where I actually show you how to create ClickBank landing page. Up over here, if you get there, you will if you go there, you will find all my videos, all my playlists on ClickBank, and you can watch all of them for 100% free. Okay, so as you can see, if somebody goes ahead and buy these, I will earn commissions. It's that simple. As you can see, this is my hop link. So the method actually works this way. So what I want to do is go back to my capture page. Okay, I built this page myself. Okay, now I have a training, guys, where I actually build all these things for you. What you can do is you just go ahead and then upload it to your website, and boom, you have a complete system. If you are really interested in that, you can check the link below this video. I have a complete training where I walk you through that. Okay, so that being said, we can do this. What I actually do is, once I create this capture page, okay, I link it to my email service provider. I use GetResponse. You can also check the link in the description. Now all the tools and materials and resources that I mentioned here actually can be found in the description of this video. So when they put their emails, it goes to GetResponse, and GetResponse will say, now, okay, I will send emails every single day to these people for the rest of their lives, or unless they unsubscribe. Okay, so what I do is, because this is in the business opportunity niche, what I was selling is a make money online offer. I'd go to a website called Easy Traffic Now. Okay, and what I can do is I can just copy the URL of this capture page, which I just designed to collect emails, and then what I do is I can just paste it over here. Now what happened is, this company actually, what they do is, okay, the pages here is really nice. So you are previewing the page to make sure that you are sending them the correct page. Okay, so what they'll do is they have email database of people who want to start online business, like hundreds of thousands of people. So they are gonna send this email to all these people to check out this capture page. Okay, and I can go ahead and order like 500 clicks, and that will cost me only $295. Is very cheap compared to like amount of people, eyeballs that I will be sending here. And at 40% conversion rate, I will have like over 200 people inside my email database that I can continue to market to over and over again. So what I can do is I can go ahead and pay, because they will send me traffic from USA, Canada, UK, New Zealand, and Australia. So what they're going to do is they're going to write an email advertisement to their list, and then they will tell them, hey, go ahead and check this offer. It's a free video that shows you X, Y, and Z. Just put your email and you get instant access. So they will click the link and they will come here. They will read the headline. They're really interested. The headline is very congruent with the sales page, and the backgrounds are all the same. They give me their email address, and boom, they're taken to the offer. So if they buy, fine. If they don't buy, I have a way to follow up with them for the rest of my life. And because they're interested in making money online, I can continue to sell them different products in this niche. Okay, so if you are selling a dog training program, you can send them 1 week email about the product that you are promoting, and in the remaining days or weeks or months or years, you can continue emailing them about any other type of product that you want to promote. So you have that freedom. Okay, and the best part is your email list, so you control the email list, right? So guys, this method is a bit advanced, but if you want a complete training where I will guide you through the entire process, check the link in the description of this video and attend that training where you will learn all these basics stuff that you can do to maximize your affiliate profit. So this is the reason why we make a ton of money. Okay, It's very simple. Okay, so if you are new to this business, actually you can start with the Instagram post, where you create like multiple different Instagram pages, and you come to websites like Fiverr, where people will actually create posts for you. Now, for example, if I'm in the dog training niche, I will tell this vendor, hey, I want you to create me Instagram posts about dogs, so go ahead and just think of any ideas that you can put, but let it be quotes and images and designs about dogs. And what I can do is I can order 200 copies, and every day I will put one copy in my one Instagram. And if I have another page, like for example in the woodworking niche, because when you go to ClickBank, you have all those products, you see the categories here. Okay, so I can tell them, hey, I want you to create Instagram posts about woodwork. I want you to create Instagram posts about weight loss, about anything that you're promoting. And what happens is you can use those posts and build up your Instagram. So if you want somebody to help you with Instagram, you can come over here. You see Instagram promotions, and on this platform also you will have people who are actually going to help you to build and then boost your Instagram, so that you can have many followers in record time. So you can go ahead and check the link in the description. Fiverr is really awesome. People can do anything that you want here, and you are not gonna pay, you're not gonna break the bank. Okay, that's the best part of it. You're just gonna spend like a few bucks, and people from second and third world countries, actually there's a lot of money for them, so they're gonna go ahead and build you something really amazing. Okay, and the platform also, you can use it to outsource anything that you want to do, because people actually are going to do it for you. So that being said, guys, this is how to promote affiliate links. Go with the Instagram post if you are really interested in IG. If not, go with the Facebook group post if you are really interested in that method. But if you have a few dollars that you can spend, this is my recommended method. Create a capture page, collect emails, and then redirect them to the offer and continue to mail them forever. So if you have any question, you can put that in the comment section. Okay, go ahead, like this video and share it. Okay, it really helps. And if you are really excited with this video, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, because it helps the video also. And what you can do is turn on the bell notification icon, so that anytime I come with brand new strategies, you will be notified. Okay, so you can go to my channel and watch all the playlists that I have about entrepreneurship, making money online. And anytime you have any question, don't hesitate, just put it in the comment section. I will try my utmost best to answer all the questions. I know it's really almost impossible, but I will try. Okay, so that being said, guys, if you want a free training where I can guide you through the entire process, where I build all these pages for you, I choose the best offers for you, I choose the best traffic source for you, I create almost everything for you, go ahead, the link is in the description. Go ahead and attend the live training where I'll walk you through everything. So that being said, guys, I'm out, and I'll see you in the next video.